Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nera, and in today's video, we'll discuss building a web hosting business. This is the fourth video in the series. Before this, I made 3 videos, one was an introduction, and in the other 2, I showed how to install WHM and cPanel. In the last video, I demonstrated how to install WHMCS on cPanel and covered some of its basic and general settings. Please watch this video completely. In this video, we'll discuss how to install WordPress and cPanel, perform some basic configurations, and connect WHM to WordPress. You can find all the videos in this playlist by clicking the I button. Go there to watch all the videos in this playlist. It's a complete course. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. I'll be uploading many more videos related to email marketing and websites. This is my cPanel, this is my WHM, and this is my connected domain, as I mentioned in the last video. If the name server was updated there, it has been updated now. When you open it here, a page like this will appear for you. Your WHMCS was inside a folder like your domain name /WHMCS, so you need to open it to access your WHM. On the main website, we use WordPress. So, what you need to do is go to the Site Software section here and type in your credentials from yesterday. If you've seen the video, I enabled WordPress there. In the WHM video, I clicked on WordPress here. After clicking on WordPress, the Install section appears here. I'll click on Install, and it will automatically install WordPress on the main website for you. Let me check it by running this site. It has completed all the steps and provided the username and password. This is the main website right now. I'll click on WP Admin because the admin panel of WordPress is accessed through WP Admin. You can open it in the address bar. This is my username, and this is my password. Let's log in using this username and password now. This was the password for my DPS, and these are my WordPress ID and password. Now that we've logged in, the next step is to go to Theme Forest. You can get it from there by importing. I'll provide the direct link below. Here, you need to search for W. Here, you'll find pre-made designs, and you'll get very good designs as well. There are many WHMCS designs here. You need to select one from here. Take a look, and after that, I'll install this theme now. I've already shown you a demo of it here. Its design looks like this. Now, go to Appearance and then Themes. After that, click on Add New here. I'll click on Upload Theme, and now I'll upload the theme from here. When you upload the theme, you might get this error. To fix this, go to your cPanel, and in the Software section, find PHP Multi-PHP INI Editor. Open it from here. As soon as you open it, it asks for the PHP version. Select it here, and then scroll down to upload_max_file size. Increase it to 25 megabytes. By default, it was 2 megabytes here. Let's apply it now, reload, and continue. It should work now because the default was 2 megabytes, which is why the theme couldn't be uploaded before. After uploading, click on Activate. Once you click Activate, your theme will be activated, and after that, you need to install its plugins. Go to Required Plugins, where you can also go to the sidebar and click Install Plugin. Select all and click Install, then Apply. Once you apply, all the plugins that are installed here need to be activated. Select all, make them active, and apply. All these plugins that were active will also be listed here. One plugin is invalid. Let's activate this as well. I think this is happening due to an old version. The current version is okay. First, let's update WordPress as well. The version you had installed wasn't the latest, which is why this isn't working. That plugin is a required bunny. It's for contact forms. Let's update to the new version of WordPress as well. No problem. The new version is here. After this, go back to Install Plugin here and let's activate it. Now it's done because it wasn't working due to the old version of WordPress. Now we need to go to Theme Options. Let me show you how my site looks now. I'll click on Visit Website. Now my site looks like this. What we do now is, there's an option here called Premium Theme, where you can import the design. You'll find it here, or I'll go to Appearance here and then go to Themes again. Or you can go directly from here. This is Home and Theme Options. When you come to Home, you'll see an Import option. I'll check it from here. It's also mentioning PHP. You can do this as per your requirement. I'll adjust this PHP time limit. Increase the memory limit for all. Set it to 128 megabytes. Adjust this as well. Make it 128 megabytes, double all of them, do this, and then apply it. I've applied it. Let me reload it here. Okay, so this issue of ours has been solved. For this one, you'll have to use the double option because not all the settings are here. Or you can go to editor mode and enter the code. There's no problem with that. After this, check here, write Demo Import, click on Demo Import. Here are all the templates. You can directly install them. I had shown you this one. You can also see its demo here. I'll click on Import Demo from here. I've already shown you the demo. Its design is something like this. So it will get installed here. I'll click on Continue and Import here. The demo import has been completed. It's saying Visit Site here. I'll refresh it from here. My design has arrived, hasn't it? As soon as you reload, the latest design is in front of you. Look at how good the design is here. So this design work is complete. You can edit anything here according to your wish. My job is to show you how to set it up. You can make it dynamic, and you can connect it to WHM. You'll see the technical work in this effort. You can do these things easily by watching the videos on how to edit the menu and widgets. I've made a WordPress video earlier too. You can watch it. I explained the complete website and all the options in that video. It was made a long time ago, so you should watch it. After this, what you need to do is come here, go to Plugins, click on Add New, and here you need to search for WHMCS. Here you'll find a plugin named WHMCS Bridge. If the Activate button isn't showing here, keep it showing active. I'll install it here and go to the state. And WHMCS Bridge. This plugin is already there. Let's check for any auto updates. Let's update it. After that, if we go to its settings, then here you need to go to Settings and then to WHMCS Bridge. What you need to do here is enter the URL of WHMCS. You can see it in the file manager. You've placed it in a folder here in the WHMCS folder. If you rename it, you can put anything of your choice in it, like be it the client area or any hosting area. You can also put that here from your side. You need to keep the same here, like this is mine. I've subscribed to the website, so I have to use this URL. And if you've placed WHMCS properly here, then you need to copy the URL and put it here. Let all these things remain by default. Load style, OK, and after this, click Save Settings here. As soon as you save the settings, your WHMCS will get connected to WordPress. So in this video, we covered how to set up the WordPress site first. In the next video, we'll discuss this Add to Cart link here. We'll put the link of WHMCS here. So here, whoever clicks here, WHMCS will take them to its portal, and payment etc. will be done there. Then WHMCS will automatically create their credentials and send it to their email. We'll see all these things in the next video. This is all for this video. Whatever I've done in this video completes some of its basic configuration. And also, if you haven't seen the previous videos, please watch them. Your understanding of how you can automate all these things will be covered in the next video. Thanks for watching the video, and please subscribe my channel.